Want to grow your own food but think you don't have enough space? Think again. Today, I'm sharing 10 essential tips to help you grow your own food, even in the smallest spaces. Let's turn that tiny area into a thriving mini garden. Start by selecting plants that are well suited for small spaces. Herbs, leafy greens, and dwarf varieties of vegetables like cherry tomatoes or peppers are perfect for containers and small gardens. Maximize your growing area by going vertical. Use trellises, wall-mounted planters, and hanging baskets to grow climbing plants like beans, cucumbers, and even strawberries. Vertical gardening not only saves space, but also adds a lush green touch to your walls. No garden bed? No problem. Containers are your best friend in small spaces. Choose pots of different sizes and shapes to accommodate different plants. Just make sure they have good drainage and enough room for the roots to grow. Layering your garden is another way to make the most of a small area. Place taller plants in the back, medium-height plants in the middle, and shorter ones in the front. This way, every plant gets enough sunlight without overcrowding. In small spaces, the quality of your soil is crucial. Use a high-quality potting mix enriched with compost to ensure your plants get the nutrients they need. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants and a better harvest. Efficient watering is key, especially in small spaces where water can easily drain away or cause root rot. Use drip irrigation, self-watering containers, or simply water at the base of the plants to ensure they get just the right amount. Tip 7. Companion planting. Companion planting is a great way to maximize space and improve plant health. Some plants grow better together, helping each other out by repelling pests, improving flavor, or providing shade. For example, grow basil alongside tomatoes for a perfect pairing. Even in small spaces, it's important to rotate your crops each season. This practice helps prevent soil depletion and reduces the risk of pests and diseases. Plan your planting so that no plant is grown in the same spot season after season. Pruning is essential to keep your plants healthy and productive, especially in small spaces where overcrowding can be an issue. Regularly trim back overgrown branches and remove dead leaves to encourage new growth and allow more light and air to reach your plants. Frequent harvesting encourages plants to produce more. Don't wait too long to pick your veggies. Harvest them when they're ripe and ready. This not only keeps your plants healthy but also ensures a continuous supply of fresh produce. See, growing your own food in a small space is totally possible with these tips. Start small, stay consistent, and soon you'll be enjoying fresh, homegrown produce right from your tiny garden. Happy gardening! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks.